Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to show coordinates in Minecraft Java. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and not to make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, to show coordinates in Minecraft, simply click on the escape key and then you want to go to options, chat settings, and then where it says reduce debug info, you want that to be turned to off. Once that is done, click on done again and again, then back to game. And now to show coordinates, you want to hold down F9 and F3, and then you'll see on the left hand side, almost halfway down XYZ, that's your coordinates right there. So that's it guys, how to show coordinates in Minecraft Java. Thanks for watching this video to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it helpful.